Hey guys, welcome back to another new video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a Minecraft tutorial, and basically what we're going to be building is this thing right in front of me. And if you guys don't know what this is a hopper minecart unloader, and if you didn't know already, hopper minecarts can actually pick up blocks through blocks. So say if I take a stack of this, throw it on there, when the hopper minecart comes across, it's going to pick that up, it's going to stop right here, deposit everything into the hopper, which is going to go into the chest, and then once everything is out of this hopper, I'm going to take it out real quick to show you guys. It's going to go ahead and start back up and go on its way and keep on picking up items. So let me go over here, show you the materials we need, and we're going to build this thing. Alright, so basically everything you're going to need this thing is in my hotbar, but I'm just going to go over all this so that way you guys know. It's a chest, a hopper, a comparator, a repeater, a redstone torch, a rail, a minecart with a hopper in it, a powered rail, and some blocks. Alright, now this thing is actually really simple to build. All you need to do is put down your chest, stick your hopper on top of that, stick a block right here so that way you can stick your comparator down. Your comparator faces towards the hopper. Then you want a block right here. You want your redstone torch on the end of that. And basically what you want to do here is make a Y. So block there, block there. Then you want to stick your repeater facing towards that. Your powered rail right there. And basically that is the entire circuit. So if I wanted to extend this out and actually make it into something usable, what I'll do is this right here. Put some rails, do a turn, and actually I want this to be a powered rail, so stick a powered rail down there, stick a torch underneath that block, and anytime you end your circuit, basically what you want to have is a powered rail, but you want to have it going up against the wall so that way it bounces off of it, comes back, because if not, it will not come back. But as you can see, it goes around right there. And if I go and actually let me stick some blocks on top of this so that way you guys can see it collects it through the blocks. If I go and take a full stack of items, throw it out, the hopper minecart will grab it, it'll stop right there, transfer it down into the hopper, and then transfer it into the chest, and it's slowly leaking into the chest right there. But yeah, that's all this thing is. It's a simple little circuit. I really like redstone in Minecraft just because it reminds me a lot of electrical circuits. I really like doing like DIY projects like that and stuff. So yeah, this is one of the reasons why I really like Minecraft. Hopefully this tutorial helped you guys out. Hopefully it was nice and simple for you. If you did like it, go ahead and leave a like on it, and I will see you guys next time.